Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error, that is MFPlat.DLL not found. So if you're receiving this error which says failed to load library MFPlat.DLL. So to fix this error, open Windows settings on your computer. So if you have Windows 10, open Windows 10 settings. If you have Windows 11, click on settings on Windows 11. Now go to apps. Now once you go to apps in Windows 10, you will find apps and features. So go to apps and features, and when you select apps you will see optional features. So click on optional features, and then in Windows 10 you will have an option add a feature. So you have to click on add a feature in Windows 10. In Windows 11 click on view features, and over here in the search box type in media feature pack. Now once you type in media feature pack, you will see media feature pack over here. So you have to put a check on the box which says media feature pack, put a check, and then click on next and install it. Now when you're installing it, make sure that you are connected to the computer, that internet is connected, you are connected to the internet, and then click on next and install it. And after the installation, restart your computer, and after the system restart you should not receive the error message. Now if you have Windows 10 N or N edition, like if you have Windows 10 N edition, or if you have Windows 11 N edition, in that case go to this link. The link is provided in the video description. So open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. For Windows 10 N edition, as I said, go to settings, apps and features, then click on optional features, and then click on add a feature, and then find media feature pack and then install it. For Windows 11, again settings, apps, optional features, view features, and then type in media feature pack and install it. Now if you have lower version of Windows 11 or Windows 10, you can install it from these links. So install it, then restart your computer, and after the system restart you should not receive the error message again. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.